Okay, let's talk about the MARRIOTTO replacement for GE RPWFE. RPWF refrigerator water filter. This filter is a great choice. It comes with a built-in chip. This chip makes it compatible. It works with many GE models. For example, it fits GFE28GELDS and PFE28KELDS. It also fits PFE28GYNFS. Many other models work too. These include GFD28GELDS and GYE22HMKES. Furthermore, GFE28GYNFS and GFD28GYNFS are covered. This pack includes 2 filters. Therefore, you get a good value. Consider it a guardian for your water. It stands watch against impurities. This MARRIOTTO GE fridge filter with chip 2 is a solid pick. When you use the MARRIOTTO GE fridge filter with chip 2, you'll notice cleaner water. It's like a fresh mountain spring. This filter tackles chlorine. It also removes other taste and odor issues. So, your ice tastes better. Your water tastes crisper. Installation is quite simple. Just twist it in. The chip ensures proper communication. Your fridge recognizes it. No error messages appear. This is crucial for easy use. Moreover, the flow remains strong. You won't wait long for water. This filter truly performs well. Hence, it's a reliable option. Finally, this MARRIOTTO GE fridge filter with chip 2 offers peace of mind. It's like a quiet hero. You know your family drinks clean water. This filter is an affordable alternative. It saves you money, yet it delivers great quality. The 2-pack is convenient. You have a spare ready. This means less hassle. You won't run out unexpectedly. Overall, this filter is a smart purchase. It keeps your water pure. It also keeps your wallet happy. Consequently, it's a wise investment for any GE fridge owner. Pros: bargain filter replacement, half the price of GE brand. This product really works, easy to install, has the chip required, fit perfect, works great, great value, no weird taste, worked perfectly, save over $25 from GE version, cost-effective replacement, arrived quickly, perfect fit, quick fix. Cons: difficult to install, slight installation difficulty, may require more effort to install, not as easy to install as expected, installation could be smoother. Features: replaces GE RPWFE. RPWF has a built-in chip for refrigerators, filters water, compatible with GFE28GELDS, works with PFE28KELDS, fits GFD28GELDS, works with GYE22HMKES, pack of 2 filters, easy to install. The MARRIOTTO water filter is a 2-pack replacement for GE RPWFE and RPWF refrigerator filters. It has a built-in chip and is designed to filter water in your refrigerator. These filters are easy to install and work with several GE refrigerator models, including GFE28GELDS, PFE28KELDS, GFD28GELDS, and GYE22HMKES. The MARRIOTTO replacement for GE RPWFE RPWF refrigerator water filter is a great value, costing half the price of the GE brand filter. It's easy to install for most, fitting perfectly and working great, with no weird taste in the water. While some users found installation a bit tricky, the filter includes the necessary chip and provides a cost-effective solution to get clean, fresh water.